Okay, so I think I've got some robbing going on in my hive. I've seen a lot of this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but basically battling. This is the upper entrance of my winter setup here. Sorry, sometimes I struggle to talk and film at the same time. Okay, so people smarter than me, what do I do? Do I want to cover this up? They're not using the lower entrance at all. I can clean that out. I've got a mouse guard and the entrance reducer. They're not using it. Does anybody else maybe suspect robbing? There's lots of fighting on the ground. I've seen several pairs of bees kind of going at it, fighting. Any thoughts on this? Thanks, guys. Feedback, please.